Ha 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 ha, got ya, got ya. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are at Mount Victoria, but specifically the Wellington Town Belt. We've come here this morning to look at some Lord of the Rings locations before we get the ferry to the South Island. So yeah, we'll show you what we can find. One thing you'll notice about a lot of New Zealand's parks is the trees are huge and really gnarled, so to create quite an effective backdrop. You can understand why someone looks at some of these trees and goes, yeah, that feels otherworldly in a sense. So if you come here, if you follow the yellow markers, they are the kind of main path, which apparently has a lot of the Hobbit, Lord of the Rings, sites on it. But it's a really pretty area anyway, really nice. If nothing else, it's a really nice park to walk around. And if you come here, you will likely find others looking. So the actual tree that the hobbits hide behind is from a set, just so they can control conditions. But yeah, around this area, you'll see the way it's sloped and banked. You can kind of recreate the shot very easily, and you can understand why they filmed in this sort of area. But no, it's really nice and impressive. It's cool. So a place like that, as you can see, with the overhang of the roots and the rock, or you have little hidey holes like that. But if you imagine a big tree root over the top, and the path, and a Nazgul chasing you down. Yeah, no, it's a really nice area to wander around anyway. But yeah, it could be any of these specifically. Like I say, the main place was actually built, so yeah. And of course they're going to be quiet now. But also here, so that noise is the kaka parrot that we saw at Zealandia the other day. But these are just
native,
wild ones. Just fun, and they're big parrots. But yeah, now we are. Where are we going next?
We're going to go to Mount Victoria Lookout over Wellington.
Yeah.
Before we get the ferry.
Yeah. So today's a rather exciting day for us because it almost feels like we're going to a new country, which is weird, but it's just because we're getting the ferry to the South Island. So we shall see the difference. Because everyone raves about the South Island, saying it's so much prettier, it's so much nicer. They're like, oh yeah, the North Island's really nice, but the South Island is ooh. So it's going to be interesting to see if we feel like that way, or whether it's been overhyped now.
I mean, we're going to be working for a good few weeks.
Yeah, so the plan for when we get to the South Island is basically we've got a couple more weeks of kiwi/apple orchard work before Christmas, and then over Christmas, the 3 days there, we have a Airbnb just to spend some time with ourselves. And then after that, we've got another house sit, which is going to be from Boxing Day until past New Year's.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, it's exciting. Really looking forward to the next bit of this trip, and the South Island, and The North Island's been really nice though. It has been nice. There's been some really cool things, great moments and stuff, but onwards.
Yeah.
As you can hear, a nice relaxing sound at the top. And there's Johnny the van, because we're lazy and didn't walk. But yeah, it's a really nice view up here. So peaceful. So we made it into the queue waiting for our ferry. Gonna be here a little while, but yeah, not bad at all. So Alex and I are now gonna just wait until we can get on the ferry. It's about 3 hours, I think, the actual ferry. Takes us to the other island, South Island. So it's exciting, really. This is our first ferry since we went back to the UK on the motorbike. So yeah, we were saying we prefer doing it in a car because you can sit, but the motorbike's still nice. It's nice to be on a motorbike in a group. You feel cooler, don't you? But yeah.
Hi.
So we got everything and we'll go from there. All right, see you on the ferry.
Okay. Thanks, Alex. Wait.
We made it on.
Yeah.
So now we're on a ferry. Oh, it's the excitement. Yeah, we're on the ferry. It's a beautiful day, so hopefully she gets some nice views.
Yes, not just sheep.
Not just sheep, we're just down there. 10 in there, and in there. Lots of sheep.
Like a wild man, sleeping like a child, so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you, always in bloom, always in bloom for you. Times I've stranded, away, and I'm not sure. Although a stranger in this content, I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom, always in bloom for you. An infatuated light. Although it hurts me to be with you, I'm always in bloom, always in bloom for
That's where we stayed last night. South Island. Hey! So we have finished our journey on the ferry. We're just waiting to get kind of off the ferry. It's just still docking at the moment. Then we are going to be on the South Island. Woo! Yeah, we are going to park up somewhere just around the corner, just to kind of get our bearings, get the things that we need to go get, like peanut butter, you know, exciting stuff.
Yeah.
What's the plan for the rest of the day?
Go find somewhere to sleep.
Yeah.
Either in Blenheim, Freedom Camping, or a bit further along, depending on how much we want to drive.
Yeah, it's only like 4 o'clock at the moment, but with a lot of these camping places, it's better to get there early. You're kind of more guaranteed a spot.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow afternoon, we head to the place we're going to be working and go from there. But yeah, we'll show you off the South Island. It was stunning getting here.
Yeah, Marlborough Sounds is gorgeous.
Yeah,
Can't wait
like
to come back and
truly
actually travel.
truly stunning. But yeah, at the moment, that's our view.
Yes.
Oh, so exciting. Oh, so exciting. But yeah, right, see you in a bit. Daylight.
Where are we? Queen Charlotte.
Onwards. Slowly. A little breezy, but how's that for a view? Not bad at all. The view is ridiculous.
We found the mountains. Literally 5 minutes from the ferry. It is gorgeous.
Ta-da! We found our parking spot for tonight. We're down there. Not a bad view all told. I mean, that kind of is a ridiculous view. What a view.